Hi friends, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to prototype a Glassmorphic card to make it a 3D Glassmorphic card. So I have my Glassmorphic card designed. So I'll want to make this a 3D Glassmorphic card. So I can duplicate this because we are going to have two states here. So let me now glue this. I'm going to glue this part, Ctrl G. I'm also going to glue this, Ctrl G. So I can take this up and I'm going to select this. I'm holding down Ctrl key and I'm going to select this because I want to duplicate the rectangle. So I can now hold down Shift and Alt and drag down. Alright, so I have this duplicated, so I'm going to ungroup this. So I'm also going to, I can take this off. I'm also going to hold down Ctrl key and select, and then hold Shift and Alt and move down. Alright, so let me undo this. So okay, let me group this. I'm also going to group this too. Alright, so I have these two cards. So this is going to be the front, and this is actually the back of this. But when this one is showing, this one should be at the back, and when this one is showing, this one should be at the back. So this is actually front of the back, and this is actually front of the front. So I can name this anything. I can just say this is I can call this Eru or anything. So I can call this Azo. Alright, so I can also call this Eru, and I can call this Azo. Alright, so I'm going to invert this. I'll right click here, I'll go down to flip horizontal. So I'm also going to flip this horizontal, that's Shift H. Alright, so I can also flip this horizontal, Shift H. Alright, so this and this, I'm going to reduce the opacity to 0. Alright, now I'm going to go to prototype. I'm going to connect this to this on click. So this has to be smart animate is out. So this to this on click. So when I click this, it changes to this, and when I click this, it goes back. Alright, so I can now select these two, and I'm going to align horizontal center and vertical center. So I'm also going to select these two, align horizontal center and vertical center. Alright, so now let's present this to see the effect. Alright, so here is our card, our Glassmorphic card. So let's see if we've been able to make this a 3D Glassmorphic card. So if I click this, it comes. I click this, it turns back. Click this. Alright friends, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.